Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. So I'm having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I have reached 1,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel and I'm actually surpassing that and I'm really excited about that. So I just want to do something to show my appreciation for those who've been with me throughout my YouTube journey or even my new subscribers, my new people that are here. This box is heavy, but being that this is a cooking channel mainly, I wanted to give away something that went along with that. So I will be giving away this 6-piece bakeware set by Dash of That. And this is all of the stuff that it comes with. You see the casserole dishes and the pots. It's a really good deal. And you'll get it for free if you win this giveaway. I have one of these and I just love making lasagna in it and casseroles. It's really a great kitchen accessory to have. Along with that, I'm going to be giving away a non-stick skillet and some wooden spoons and spatulas. So it's a really great chance to win this. So the rules to enter this giveaway are very simple. All you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to me here on my YouTube channel and make sure to hit the bell button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So subscribe, hit the bell button, and leave a comment under this video. You can just comment something simple like giveaway, or you can put an emoji, or you can put why you want to win this giveaway. I just need to know that you want to enter for a chance to win. Next is to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Nom Nom to Fitness. And once you follow me on Instagram, make sure that you tag at least 3 people in the comments. And that is it. Now you have a chance to win this giveaway. Once you have all of those entries, I will pick a winner and I will send you a DM and I will mail you your gift. So other than that, let's hop into the video. I have a what I eat in a day video. I'm sharing some of the recipes that I ate and let's hop right into it. So for breakfast, I've been loving some sliced avocado, fresh tomato on top of some rice cakes. It's like a different twist to avocado toast. Instead of it being on bread, it's on rice cakes, and I absolutely love it. So I'm just slicing one avocado, and then I'm cutting it into strips. And then I'm doing the same thing with one tomato. And these rice cakes I got from Thrive Market, and I absolutely love them. Just 4 of them is 1 serving, so you can just eat an abundance of this and still feel healthy and meet your weight loss goals. I'm putting 3 avocado slices on 1 rice cake, and now I'm putting the tomatoes on top. And I'm seasoning it with some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and the juice of half a lime. If you don't have yourself a citrus squeezer, then I recommend you get one. It's like my favorite kitchen tool. That's what I'm using to squeeze the lime juice on. And that is it, a nice healthy snack. For lunch, I made some creamy Cajun chicken pasta using chickpea pasta. So for the chicken, I'm using this Sweet Earth Mindful chicken, and it tastes like chicken breast. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to start off by adding some grapeseed oil to a skillet and seasoning it with some sea salt and black pepper. I'm just going to let it cook until it's browned on both sides and it's nice and crispy. Then once that's done, I'm going to remove the chicken from the pan and add 1 diced yellow onion, half a green pepper dice, and half red pepper dice. I'm going to let that cook down for about 5 minutes, and then after that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and I'm going to let that cook down for about 2 minutes. Next I'm adding 1 cup of full fat coconut milk and 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I'm seasoning it with 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of sea salt, and I'm using this Cajun Slap Your Mama seasoning. I'm adding 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of the regular one and 1 teaspoon of the spicy one. And I'm just going to put a lid on it and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. While that's cooking down, I'm going to make this chickpea pasta. I just added some salt to the water. Now, once the sauce is done simmering, I'm adding the vegan chicken. I sauteed some mushrooms. I just added some salt and pepper to them. And now I'm adding the pasta. And that is it. For dinner, I had some roasted potatoes and roasted Brussels sprouts with a side of sweet chili sauce. So I'm chopping up 2 Yukon Gold potatoes, and I'm seasoning that with some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I added a little bit of grapeseed oil, placed that on a sheet pan on top of some parchment paper. And on the side, I'm adding some Brussels sprouts. And I found this lemon pepper seasoning in the cabinet, so I'm just going to sprinkle some of that with some oil onto the Brussels sprouts. And I baked it at 425 for about 25 minutes, and that is it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. That was everything that I ate today, and good luck on the giveaway. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.